everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Andrew here. Now, all week I've been feeling terrible. I've been sick. So I haven't been able to do much, but I'm feeling a little bit able to move today. So I was like, hey, what's gonna make me feel better? Putting together an arrangement. That's what's gonna make me feel better. I'll be using this as my structure with the candle in the middle, and I have some red twig dogwood, some different types of eucalyptus, and I even dried some orange slices to go ahead because I love the combination of eucalyptus with some orange in there. And also, they kind of smell good. The eucalyptus has even a better smell. But yeah, I'm not going to be talking much simply because I don't have much of a voice right now. But also because I don't know really what I'm doing. I'm just going to be having fun, throwing this together, and I hope it turns out beautiful. So let's get started. Black wire. Just to hold them up. It's easier if I take the candle out. Ogre hands can get in here. Smells so good. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Really simple. I was expecting to maybe put more at the top, but then I kind of off camera, I kind of did that and I was like, a little too heavy at the top. We ended up going with almost like a one pillar on one side, and I think it looks so intriguing, very whimsical, and especially for how bad I'm feeling, this has brightened my day up a lot. And I still have a lot of eucalyptus and I still have a lot of dried oranges. It just means I might have to do another craft. I'm thinking maybe an indoor reef. I do have a spot for one, so maybe I'll do an indoor reef and I'll show you guys that maybe next week. I need to go find a place for this. No idea where it's gonna end up. But thank you guys for watching. I had a blast even though I am as sick as a dog. Yeah, I'm just happy. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay creative. Bye.